Hello, and thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you traded last week, and I hope you did well. Just in case you did not, well, another week is here, and I want us to analyze in this video two instruments, EURUSD and GBPUSD. Okay, we're going to be quickly looking at it under the next couple of minutes. I don't want to waste time on it. Now, I've already, if you look at this, we're on the EURUSD weekly time frame. Okay, so what happened last week was that the EURUSD eventually broke all the highs for the last 2 weeks or so. So it's also recorded a bullish engulfing pattern and then a morning star. So you can see 1, 2, 3 morning star plus bullish engulfing pattern. So it's a strong bullish reversal pattern that I'll be expecting this week, all things being equal. Now, from the moving averages, yes, things still seem to be tilting downwards, but with the current happening here, with what has just happened here, morning star plus bullish engulfing pattern, we should be expecting an uptrend for EURUSD. That's like a bullish reversal for EURUSD this very week. So let's see how we're going to trade. Okay, now our mindset is fixed on going bullish for EURUSD, so we'll be looking for opportunities to buy. So I encourage you to be very careful with anything selling this week, really. Okay, except a major event changes this thing. Outside of any external events altering what we have here, EURUSD is going to be bullish. So where do we position ourselves? Let's quickly look at the pivot points analysis I've done already. And good. Now, from what I have done here already, okay, this is the analysis I did already. Let me remove the Fibonacci retracement there. So this is the 4 hours time frame, and from the analysis I did already on nforex.com, here are the levels, the key levels, pivot points, the floor pivot points levels. On the chart here, this is for weekly support. That's around 1.0798, and the weekly resistance, first level of resistance, first support, first resistance 1.1006. So we'll be looking at this level. Meanwhile, pay attention to the what's it called, the weekly, the monthly pivot points, and I quickly show you here. Here's the monthly pivot point, and it's around here. It's still above price at 1.0906, and that's also around where we have the weekly pivot points. And I think we really have to be very careful here. So if price opens now, there may be a likelihood of it opening with an upward gap, upside gap, or downside gap, whichever happens. Whatever happens eventually, this market may try to retest what happens here to push this up. Okay, so by the time it comes down and it's unable to continue going down, then it may push up to now record a new high. That means redefining the trend for EURUSD. Perhaps that may be the confirmation of the reversal that we've seen on the morning star and the bullish engulfing pattern. So here are the levels to watch. Now, before I do show you that, let's quickly look at turning the low of last week to the high of this past week. All right, so we have 50% retracement around here. So price might still test around this place, 1.0892. So, and then 62% is at 1.0864. So we are going to be looking at these key levels for our entry for buy. But then, if it gives you opportunity to sell and you can cheat the market and take something, go ahead and do it. The next instrument we'll be looking at is the GBPUSD. GBPUSD in the past week also recorded a piercing line pattern and inverted hammer. There are two patterns in one here, two reversal patterns in one here, piercing line pattern and inverted hammer. Now you can see that I have an open trade buy order here that didn't close before the market shut down on Friday night, so it's still on there. So what we are going to be doing here is that let's quickly see where we can be entering, because this market looks, it's like it's going to be going up too, or a bullish reversal here, two patterns in one. For me, it's strong, except maybe the Brexit comes in again, sets in again, that may push pound sterling further down. Other than that, from this technical point of view, we see GBPUSD going up. So let's quickly look at the key levels. All right, now everything points down, but there's a reversal that's shown there. So then look at the where we have the weekly pivot points. I picked it on the N Forex analysis I did here already, and these are the levels. Okay, so quickly, let me bring in. I'm going to do two Fibonacci analysis here. Let me first do the reversal from the low of this past week to the high, and we have 61%. That's 60% around here, almost where price is at. Okay, and there might be a retest, there might not be, but then whatever happens, look forward to opportunity to buy, and if it gives you sell, go ahead and sell. If the market will continue going, go ahead and sell. But these are the levels to watch. Okay, while on the let me remove this. While if we now consider the Fibonacci from the bearish point of view, where do I pick? Let me pick from this place, from here to the low of this past week. You see that it's a long way for sellers. Okay, so meaning there's from what this analysis based on the fall from 1.62642 to 1.2073, price seems to still might get up here to 1.2290 if the bearish continuation has to be confirmed. All right, so that means we might see a retracement up to 1.2290 or 1.2357 or 62% retracement at 1.2425. But whatever happens, let's take note that there is a bullish reversal pattern with piercing line pattern and inverted hammer at the same point, okay, on the same time frame. So what will happen is that there might be a pullback here and then price goes back up, or it might create a gap, go up and then come back. But whatever happens, we don't know. But then these are the levels to watch. If it's going to continue going down, let's be watching for taking small profits on the buy on the rise before it finally goes down again. Alternatively, you might just pull up from there and respect this reversal pattern that we'll see here, and then we'll see price going up. All right, so I wanted to see something that looks like an inverted head and shoulders here. All right, so and this is the shoulder, okay, and then the neckline may be somewhere around here. There's a neckline somewhere around here. I don't intend to teach anything here, but then look at it. This might just be like the neckline, and then this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder, and then this is the inverted head. Okay, so if this is respected, then we should see a reversal, but a bullish reversal, confirming what we have on the weekly time frame here. So GBPUSD might be recording a new high or attempting to make a new high this week. All right, so I want you to take your time, study, prepare, put your ears down, go to the news sites, check out for fundamental information that you can add to whatever you know already technically, and then trade to win. I am Ifeanyi, and I thank you for tuning in. Please share this video and let others learn, and let us profit together. God bless you.